let's talk about something simple but crucial for fixing your credit. Your old addresses. Yeah, those places you used to live. They could be messing up your credit report right now, and you might not even realize it. This is step 3 of DIY Credit Mastery, and today we're breaking down why you need to get rid of those old addresses and how to do it. Why are old addresses holding you back? You might be thinking, it's just an old address. What does it even matter? Well, here's the deal. They can cause identity mix-ups, which if somebody with a similar name lived there after you, their accounts can get linked to your credit report, and that's just not cool. They make it harder to dispute negative items. If a collection or late payment is tied to an old account, it strengthens the connection in the credit file. In translation, that makes it harder to remove. They increase the risk of fraud. Ever had a piece of mail show up at an old address? Imagine if somebody shady got their hands on your financial information. Lenders might see you as unstable. Too many past addresses is a red flag to them. Want to see stability? Not a long list of places that you bounced around and in between. Bottom line, if you're still carrying an old address, your credit repair journey just got a lot harder. How to remove an old address step by step. Now that you know why, here's the how-to on cleaning up your report. Step 1, pull your credit report. You need to get it from annualcreditreport.com or get it from a service like Smart Credit, where you're going to get all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Step 2, list every address you find. Write them down. If it's not a current address, it needs to come off of there. Step 3, you need to request address removal. You need to contact each bureau and ask them to remove outdated address. You can do this online through the dispute portal, which is a little shady. You can try to call customer service if you can find a number that'll work, or you can just send them an old-fashioned written letter, and that's what I say do. Step 4, use the right wording. Something like, hey, I noticed an incorrect address information on my credit report. Please update my personal information to reflect my current address. Boom, that's it. Step 5, follow up and verify in about 15 days. If it's not off in 15 days, check it in 30 days. If it's not off in 30 days, you need to redo it real quick. They should send you a letter telling you what they're going to do. Okay, so I'll make this a little bit easier for you. I've got you covered. Email me at yourcredittoolbox@gmail.com with the subject matter address removal, and I'll send you my proven letter template, the one that I've helped thousands and thousands and thousands of people remove old addresses off their credit report fast. Remember this, better credit starts with the right foundation. Let's get yours looking clean and ready for success. If you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe to this video for more credit mastery tips. The next video will be on how to suppress information from the other credit agencies that you don't even know about. There's about 40 of them that are actively reporting to the big 3. And I'll explain all that to you in the next video. See you then.